Hey there, I am Gunapriya. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel GPN Arts. Today I made this beautiful and simple paper gift box. You may also learn many crafts on our website gpnarts.com. For now, let's move to our video for this craft. For making gift box, we need one A4 size design paper. Here we have one A4 size design paper. Now what we are going to do? This is length, we find the middle of the length. So what we have to do, put this corner on this corner and press here little bit. So you find out the middle. Mark here with pencil. Same with this side. Put corner on each other. Press here little bit. Here we have center point. Now do the same thing with this line and this line. Put corners on each other. Press it, mark with pencil, and this is our last corner to corner, and this is our middle. Now what we have to do, this point and this point, make a line on this point. Here I join these 2 points. Join all the points. Here I have joined all this point. Now what we are going to do, put a scale on this line and fold this paper like this and press it inside. Do same thing on all the sides. Here I have done with all the sides. Now put your paper like this. This is your length and this is your width. So these 2 parts stick on each other and these 2 parts stick on each other. Like this, and these 2 parts on each other like this. After sticking it, we got this shape. Now with the pencil, mark here and same mark here and make a hole with punching machine. Here I made hole. Now put your gift inside the box, and here we have one ribbon. Put this ribbon inside this hole. And take it out from here. And here our gift box is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, then do not forget to share it with your family and friends. For upcoming more videos, please subscribe GPN Arts. Till then, bye.